So, hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you cell, the unit of life. In cell, the unit of life, firstly, we will be seeing the prokaryotic cell. So now let's have a look on the prokaryotic cell. So here I will be telling you about the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. So now let's have a look. First thing, in the prokaryotic cell, there is a layer that is oval in shape, and this layer is known as the plasma membrane. So this one layer is your plasma membrane. Now outside the plasma membrane के बाहर एक और layer होती है, that is your cell wall. Outside the plasma membrane there is one more layer, that is your cell wall. So now let's draw the cell wall. So this is your cell wall. Now cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Outside the cell wall there is one more layer, that is your glycocalyx. I am just drawing in some part, but it is on the whole part. मैं थोड़े से सेल पे बना रही हूँ, but ये पूरे सेल के ऊपर बनी होती है. So outside this there is one more layer, that is glycocalyx. So this is your glycocalyx. Now this glycocalyx is of two types. This glycocalyx is of two types, that is capsule and one is slime layer. कैप्सूल एंड स्लाइम लेयर. ग्लाइकोकाइलिक्स को हम कैप्सूल कब कहते हैं और स्लाइम लेयर कब बोलते हैं? ग्लाइकोकाइलिक्स को जब वो लेयर हार्ड होती है, दैट टाइम वी यूज द टर्म कैप्सूल, एंड जब वो सॉफ्ट होती है, जेलिटिशियस इन नेचर होती है, दैट टाइम वी यूज द टर्म स्लाइम लेयर. After that, in the plasma membrane there are some infoldings. In the plasma membrane there is some infoldings. So these are the infoldings. These are your infoldings, and these infoldings is called mesosomes. These infoldings is called mesosomes. Now inside the plasma membrane there is a gelatinous material. एक gelatinous or we can say jelly like material होता है, that is known as cytoplasm. Known as cytoplasm. After this, in the prokaryotic cell there is one more cell, there is one more organelle, that is your DNA. If DNA is found in center, if the DNA is found in center, it will not divide, and if the DNA is attached to the mesosomes, if the DNA is attached to the mesosomes, so in that DNA there will be a division of labor. There will be a division of labor. Now the question comes, what is the division of labor? Means there will be a division in the cell. There will be a division in the cell, means there will be a division in the DNA. After this there is one more organelle which is found, that is your ribosomes. Now in this there is a ribosomes. Ribosomes are also found in your prokaryotic cell, that is your bacteria. Now ribosomes internally are of two types, that is your 70S and 80S. But in bacteria, the ribosomes which are found, that is your 70S. That is your 70S. After this, on the glycocalyx, there are some, we can say, outgrowths are there, that is your sex pili and fimbriae. There are some outgrowths on the glycocalyx, that is your outgrowths are there, that is your sex pili and fimbriae. Now how it is look like, let's have a look. So it will be having the look now, which the sex pili is the larger one. Sex pili is the larger one and the smaller one is known as fimbriae. The smaller one is known as the fimbriae. Now what is the function of the fimbriae? It helps in the attachment, or we can say it helps in the adhesion. It helps in the adhesion, or we can say it helps in the attachment. Now there is some more structures which is found in your this one, we can say in the bacterial cell, that is generally plasmids are found. So here we can also have a look on the plasmids are also found in your bacterial cell. So this is the general structure of the prokaryotic cell. Now just I want to tell you about the Gram staining. What is the Gram staining, beta? Gram staining means when the plasmid is present. When your plasmid is present, that time it is your that time it will be a Gram positive, and if plasmid is absent, that time it will be a Gram negative. Just outside your glycocalyx, there is one more layer, that is of your lipopolysaccharide, that is your lipopolysaccharide. Just I am rubbing this and drawing here. This one layer is your outside the glycocalyx. There is one more layer, that is your lipopolysaccharide. Lipopolysaccharide. Now what is the function of the lipopolysaccharide? Lipopolysaccharide may or may not be present. Lipopolysaccharide may or may not be present. Now what is the function of the lipopolysaccharide, beta? अगर आपकी lipopolysaccharide present होगी, अगर आपकी lipopolysaccharide layer present होगी, just before that coming to the lipopolysaccharide का जो mainly function देखा जाता है, that is in the Gram staining. Its function is seen in the Gram staining. Now it is of two types, that is a Gram positive and Gram negative. Gram positive and Gram negative. अगर आपकी lipopolysaccharide layer present होगी, just telling you again, firstly there will be a what? एक प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होगी. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बाहर एक ऊपर एक और लेयर होती है, that is your cell wall. सेल वॉल के ऊपर जनरली ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स होती है, बट आई एम नॉट ड्राइंग हियर। ग्लाइकोकैलिक्स के बाद एक और लेयर होती है, दैट इज योर lipopolysaccharides. The layer is your lipopolysaccharide. So this is your lipopolysaccharide. I am writing LP. Now if I journal talk the gram staining process, it will be the first process in the gram staining, that is your firstly we will be staining it with a dye, that is your crystal violet, plus iodine, बेटा हम सबसे पहले इसके ऊपर एक स्टेन डालेंगे, that is your crystal violet and iodine. In the second step we will be washing it with the alcohol. अब बेटा जनरल सी बात है, क्या समझने वाली है। ग्राम पॉजिटिव में क्या होगा, हम सबसे पहले बाहर से एक डाई और वी कैन से स्टेन डालेंगे क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट प्लस आयोडीन का। तो जो स्टेन है वो इधर आ जाएगा, इन बिटवीन दी सेल वॉल एंड दी प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बीच में आ जाएगा हमारा स्टेन। आफ्टर दिस जब स्टेन आ जाएगा, हम सेकेंड स्टेप क्या होगा, वी विल बी वॉशिंग इट विद दी अल्कोहल। हम इसको अल्कोहल से वॉश करेंगे, बट जो ये स्टेन है इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू गो आउट। वाई? क्योंकि जो लाइपोपॉलीसैकेराइड की लेयर है यहाँ पे वो क्या है, थिक, एंड इट विल बी गेटिंग द कलर ऑफ द ब्लू और पर्पल। क्रिस्टल वायलेट एंड आयोडीन का कैसा कलर होगा, समथिंग ब्लू एंड पर्पल। In some books you will be able to see the blue color and in some books you will be seeing the purple color. So we are writing both. It will be a blue or purple color. Now coming to the gram negative बैक्टीरिया में क्या होता है बेटा, अगेन प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की लेयर होती है। प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर एक और लेयर होती है, दैट इज योर सेल वॉल। सेल वॉल के ऊपर एक और लेयर होती है, दैट इज योर लाइपोपॉलीसैकेराइड। यहाँ पे लाइपोपॉलीसैकेराइड की लेयर थी, मोटी थी, अब यहाँ पे क्या होगी, पतली होगी। इट विल बी अ थिन, दिस इज योर लाइपोपॉलीसैकेराइड हियर। आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग LP। अब इसमें क्या होगा बेटा, जब हम ये सेम स्टेन्स इसमें डालेंगे, इट विल टेक द कलर। जो लाइपोपॉलीसैकेराइड पे हम स्टेन डालेंगे, दैट इज योर क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट प्लस आयोडीन। जो स्टेनिंग होगी वो कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, सेल वॉल और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन के बीच में आ जाएगी आपकी जो स्टेनिंग है। इन द सेकेंड स्टेप वी विल बी वॉशिंग इट विद द अल्कोहल। हम वॉश करेंगे किसके साथ, अल्कोहल के साथ। इन ग्राम नेगेटिव क्या होता है बेटा, वो जो लेयर है जो इधर पर्पल कलर लिया था और वी कैन से ब्लू कलर लिया था, वो क्या हो जाएगा, कलरलेस। इट विल बी गेटिंग दी कलरलेस, but as we know the colorless cells we are not able to see under the microscope. So what we will be using to see under the microscope to the gram negative cell, we will be using the same, or we can say we can use the dye, that is your saffron. तो सैफरिन हम कब यूज करेंगे, जब जो सेल है वो क्या हो जाए, कलरलेस हो जाए, बट कलरलेस सेल्स that we can't see under the microscope, so it will be looking like something pink color. तो वो जब पिंक कलर का दिखेगा तो it will be a what, gram negative. So I hope the prokaryotic cell क्या होता है and gram staining क्या होती है, it's clear to you. Thank you.